Welcome, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today for this explainer. What we've got lined up for you is, essentially, an exclusive masterclass on mastering the Outlier dashboard. If you've been looking for the definitive guide on scaling your data income, securing top-tier accounts, and truly understanding the back end of remote AI model training platforms, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down the exact strategies that senior data professionals use to thrive, entirely through the visuals we've prepared for you today. So get comfortable, focus in, and let's jump right in. Okay, let's dive into this. $2,450 in a single week. Now, I want to establish the high-stakes reality of remote AI model training right off the bat here. You know, a lot of folks assume that data annotation or AI training is kind of just a side hustle, right? You click a few buttons and hope for the best. But when you treat it as a true profession, numbers like this become a very real possibility. However, earning this kind of massive weekly payout, it doesn't just happen by accident. It takes meticulous tracking and a really deep understanding of your metrics. Look at this quote. Most people check their dashboard once a week. That is a professional mistake. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. So many users treat their dashboard like it's just a passive receipt, like a place they visit on payday just to see what magically appeared in their account. But the senior pros, they view the dashboard as a critical, active tool. It is literally the mechanism that proves your data integrity to the platform in real time. If you're only looking at it once a week, guys, you are flying blind. So here's the agenda for our explainer today. First up, the result-first approach. Second, Rule 1, the reconciliation. Third, the business logic of quality. Fourth, maximizing your task efficiency. And finally, protect your earnings daily. Section 1, the result-first approach. Honestly, if you don't understand the technical back end of your dashboard, you are actively losing money. I want to be incredibly straightforward with you here. The platform's algorithm is constantly evaluating your performance, and your dashboard, that's your window into that evaluation. To guarantee success, you absolutely need an optimized workflow. Notice the very first step here. Check your dashboard every 3 tasks. Not every 3 days, every 3 tasks. Doing this lets you identify payment delays incredibly early. It ensures your work is actually registering in the system. By tracking your metrics this closely, you can maintain that pristine 100% accuracy across multiple project queues. And when you do that, you completely guarantee your access to the platform's absolute highest pay tiers. Section 2, Rule 1, the reconciliation. Imagine we're looking over your shoulder right now, navigating directly into the Earnings tab. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the contrast between pending status versus paid status. That pending status is actually where most missing payments hide. And honestly, it's the single biggest source of confusion for newer professionals. Seeing a task just sit there and pending can cause a ton of panic, but this specific view is your best friend. Distinguishing between these two statuses is the absolute first step in tracking down missing pay and ensuring your account is properly credited. So, how do we actively manage this? Well, we reconcile. Here's the exact step-by-step reconciliation workflow. Step 1, you complete the task. Step 2, you immediately cross-reference your specific task ID with the entry that appears on your dashboard. Ask yourself, do they match? Has the system actually logged it? If there's a discrepancy, you move straight to step 3. Submit a subject-verb-object support ticket. Spotting that discrepancy between the task ID and the dashboard entry in real time is exactly how you locate and recover missing pay before it gets lost in the whole system. And when you do have to submit that support ticket, it should look exactly like this. I completed task 123. The dashboard shows 0. Please update. Notice how incredibly simple that is? This precise subject-verb-object communication style is just flawless. It cuts out all the emotional noise, it avoids confusing the support staff, and it gets your missing payments resolved immediately. It is professional, direct, and highly, highly effective. All right, let's pause for just a second to test your technical instincts with a quick quiz. If your dashboard shows task expired after you just spent 45 minutes of really intense logic work, what do you do? Do you instantly submit a manual payment request, or do you wait for the system to refresh? And no, aggressively mashing the refresh button on your keyboard definitely doesn't count as a strategy. I want you to really consider what the safest, most senior-level protocol would be here, because understanding how the system buffers and knowing exactly when to pull the trigger on a ticket is what separates the novices from the true veterans. Section 3, the business logic of quality. Tracking your earnings is vital, but navigating over to the feedback tab is the ultimate key to your account longevity. And this brilliantly illustrates a very direct mathematical correlation at play. High quality, reliable data equals higher priority, higher paying tasks. You simply cannot have sustainable earnings without sustainable quality. Why does Outlier show you these specific metrics? Well, because they're actively measuring your reliability. Every single time you view your dashboard, you need to realize that you are looking at your professional resume.
Here's another question for you to evaluate your own strategy when you review your weekly summary. Which metric do you think impacts high-paying SQL projects more? Your response speed or your multi-turn logic accuracy? Are you prioritizing task volume, just kind of trying to rush through as many prompts as possible? Or are you heavily prioritizing your accuracy percentage? Because let me tell you, the platform pays for flawless multi-turn logic, not just speedy, flawed responses. Section 4. Maximizing your task efficiency. Now that you can flawlessly track your earnings, you've got to focus on maximizing them. We call this the efficiency bridge. To secure those high-tier rewards we were just talking about, you have to implement advanced prompt logic. By mastering complex prompts, you actually learn to handle difficult tasks faster, but without sacrificing that absolutely vital accuracy. This effectively doubles your overall efficiency. It's this exact ability to handle complex tasks effectively that ultimately populates your dashboard with those massive payouts we saw at the very beginning of this masterclass.
Section 5. Protect your earnings daily. This all boils down to treating your Outlier metrics as a living, breathing, professional resume.
Look at this quote. The hard truth, the dashboard doesn't lie. If your accuracy is dropping, your tasks will stop. It's a harsh reality, but it's true. So the crucial point is that your entire task flow, and therefore your entire income, is completely dependent on maintaining pristine accuracy. You can't fake your way through the dashboard. The metrics are absolute. If you let your standards slip, the algorithm will just quietly remove you from the queues.
Data integrity is your career. Audit yourself daily. It's a powerful statement. Protect your income and please implement these senior-level tracking strategies immediately. But before you go, ask yourself this. The next time you log off after a long shift, are you just hoping you got paid, or did you absolutely verify it? Think about it. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.